Hi, welcome to Knitup, your online on-demand knitwear manufacturer. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a custom embroidery design. First, start by entering our Knitup studio. Browse through our silhouette categories and choose your preferred silhouette. For this example, let's choose the woman's round neck pullover. Then it's off to selecting your material composition. Let's say BCI cotton. Now it's time to begin the embroidery process. Start by selecting the base stitch texture and gauge for your knit. So here let's select jersey in 12 gauge. The following step is to choose the base color of your knit. Choose pearl. Then it's up to uploading your image file of the embroidery design you want to create. For best results, use an image with a transparent background and crop out any unwanted areas before uploading. Here you can customize colors as well as the embroidery size and placement. So here let's change the color of retro vibes to black so it pops up more. And as you move and scale the file, dimensions are shown for easy and accurate reference. Zoom in and out and spin the virtual 360-degree view for final checks and confirmation before adding your design to the shopping cart. Our pricing has 3 tiers, with no minimum order required for the sample tier. Production starts after payment with a 3-week lead time. Orders ship worldwide and arrive about 1 month after ordering. Here's how the finished embroidery sweater turned out, from logo file to sweater. And it's really that simple. So experience the ease of embroidery with Knitup today at knitup.io.